XRLive is a vertically integrated project that explores the use of AR, VR, motion capture, and other advanced technologies in live performance. In addition to creating our own small productions, the VIP also assists other creators across campus looking to use these technologies in their productions. Case in point is the upcoming NTID dance production of The Cracked Nut, which will be presented in April of 2025. For that production, we are working on an interactive snow scene with whiffs of snow controlled through human motion. At Frameless 2024, we present a sampling of our work in progress in creating the effect on the immersive stairway between the second and third floors of Magic.